Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Will. I'm a China sourcing agent. I can help you with all sourcing jobs in China. Today we are in the Keqiao city. Now, if you're in the fashion or textile industry, you know this name. But if you don't, let me put it in perspective. This is not just a market. This is a global center of a fabric trade. Behind me are just a few of the buildings. There are dozens of them. Thousands of booths, millions of meters of fabric in it. We are standing in the middle of the largest and most diverse textile distribution hub on the planet. If you can dream it in fabric, it is made and sold somewhere in this city. Let's walk inside and take a look. Okay, let's start touching things because fabric is a tactile business. Right here, you can already see the diversity of this market. We have classic cotton and gingham checks for shirts and casual wear. But Keqiao isn't just about basics. You see the soft apparel? That's velvet. Look at this, Suede. And that one, Corduroy. The variety in this market shows you why people come here. This is Fleece. It's light and incredibly soft. Perfect for loungewear or lining. Now we change gears completely. This is where we find the luxury and details. Look at this, embroidery and jacquard. The intricacy on these rolls is incredible. And for the sports and outwear guys, you can't miss the knits. This thick 3-layer fabric is what we call air layer fabric. It's spongy, it's warm, and it holds the shape perfectly. Great for hoodies and coats. But here's the thing about the Keqiao that most buyers don't realize. The finished fabric showroom is just the tip of the iceberg. This city has an entire supply chain. Behind me, you have the Gray Fabric Market. That's the end-dye, unfinished fabric. You buy in raw and process it yourself. And over there, you have the yarn market. Spandex, polyester, cotton yarn, it all starts there. Once you buy the gray fabric or the finished fabric, where does it go? It goes to the one of the hundreds finishing factories surrounding the city. This piece is raw. It goes to the dyeing house to become this. Or maybe it needs a special wash or coating. There are factories here to do washing, dyeing, printing. The vertical integration here is unmatched. You can design your own fabric. You can buy the yarn and weave the way you want, and then you have your favorite finishing applied. So whether you are looking for down-proof fabric for puffers, polyester for uniforms, or high-end silks for evening gowns. Keqiao has it. It's chaotic, it's massive, but if you know where to look, it's the best sourcing city in the world. I've been coming here for years. If you are planning a sourcing trip and need help for navigating these buildings or finding a reliable factory for finishing, drop me a message. I know my way around. Thanks for walking with me. See you in the next video.